You want to earn PayPal money, just like this, over $260, and right here another PayPal payment over $300. And guess what? You can just repeat this as much as you want, and this is actually very simple, very easy, that anyone can do this without any experience. And in fact, this is 100% free. You don't need any investment or money to get started. And this opportunity is available worldwide in all countries. In this quick video, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account, and I'll walk you through different examples and walk you through step by step how to do this. And at the end of this video, I'll literally give you a copy and paste template as a bonus, and you can start earning money literally starting today. So make sure you watch the full video all the way until the end, and don't miss out on any important steps. But before we start, welcome to my YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. The website that I want to show you where you can earn a lot of PayPal money fast is Capterra. Now you can just go on to Capterra.com. Now here are some warnings before you leave this video or you skip any part of this video. I have 2 warnings for you. Number 1, the sign-up process here is a little bit complicated. You can see here, this is the entire sign-up process, and here are literally 3 steps that you have to follow. If you don't watch the full video, you will not sign up successfully and you will not make any money. And number 2, the reason why you should keep watching this video is because at the end of this, I'll show you a copy and paste template. And in fact, I'll show you everything exactly how I'm making PayPal money on this website, and you can literally copy everything that I'll show you. And once again, I'll give it to you for free at the end of this video. And that's the reason why you should keep watching. Before that, let me show you exactly how it works. Basically, on Capterra.com, they're going to pay you money by simply writing reviews for different softwares, as you can see here. Right on this website, they have literally hundreds and thousands of different softwares you can write a simple review on, and you can get paid for every single review that you write. And don't worry, because you don't need any technical skill. You don't have to need any experience. You don't need any money, and you don't need to be good in English. I'll show you everything step by step right here on this video, and you can do this from basically any country in the world. In fact, I'll show you how you can copy and paste the entire review that I have written for you and start making money after watching this video. So right now, without wasting any of your time, we're going to dive straight into writing the review, and I'll show you step by step. First of all, I want you to go onto the top of the homepage of Capterra.com and click on the link right here on top, which says Write a Review. And from there, that's going to take you to this page where you can simply search on any products or any company or any software that you want to write a review. And as you can see here, they recommend you some popular software that you can write a review. So in this video, I'll give you a special bonus tip, which is to focus on PowerPoint because it's actually very easy, very simple. And I'll show you my entire template that you can copy and paste. So right now, what I want you to do is to type in the keyword PowerPoint and click on the search button. And from there, you will scroll down below. You want to look for this link right here, which is powered by Microsoft, and you want to click on that, and congratulations. That's going to take you to this page where you can write a review for PowerPoint. And once again, you can do this on your phone or on your computer. In fact, I want you to comment down below and let me know what type of devices you are using. You use a framework for the usability. So when you scroll down below, you can see the entire process on how to write a simple review for PowerPoint, and you can earn $10. You can do this in less than 2 minutes. Let's go down to the very bottom of this page, and as you can see here, this is actually just step number 1, because there are a total of 3 steps on this video, and I'll show you everything step by step. So make sure you watch until the end, and stay tuned for the bonus, which I'll give you for free at the end of this video. First off, on the initial part of step number 1, you're going to fill in some personal information. Just put in your first name, your last name, your email address, and for the job title. This is very important. From now on, you're going to follow everything that I'll show you. So for the job title, I want you to write freelancer. This is very important because if you don't have any job title, they will not accept your review. And you will not make any money for the organization name. You can just put in self-employed, and for the industry. When you click on this down arrow, you can find any industry that you want to choose from. So from now, if you are currently working, you can just select any industry that you are working on right now. Otherwise, you can just put in computer software, because you basically write a review for software. And once again, you don't need any experience. And for the company size, you can just choose on myself, only because you are self-employed and for how long you have used the software. Now, very important to remember, if you click on these options here, you can see a free trial, less than 6 months or more than a year. Now, if you choose on free trial, you will not get paid. So it's very important to choose on 6 to 12 months so that they know that you have experience using the software yourself. Moving on to the second part of this step, on the part where it says how frequently do you use the software. You can see these options, and I want you to choose weekly. And finally, on the question, role in using the software, make sure to choose the user because you want to be the one using the software yourself, and they will appear your review and you can make money. If you're still watching right now, you have done a great job. And that's how you complete step number 1. So just click on the next button. You know into step number 2. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Basically on step number 2. They want you to rate the software that you are using right now, and you can just select and grade anything that you want. It is a very simple stuff. Just click a few buttons, and as you can see here, there are a few things that they want you to put on rating on, for example, overall. So in this case, I highly recommend you put 4 to 5 stars in order to get accepted much easier. So in this case, I just put a 5-star for all of these criteria. As you can see here, for example, customer support, 5 stars, value for money, 5 stars. So even though they say it's optional, I would highly recommend you to rate them as well in order to get accepted. So in this case, I'll just put 5 stars for all of these criteria. And when you go down, you will answer this question: how does the pricing for PowerPoint compare to similar products? This is optional, but I want you to make sure that you answer this question. So in this case, I just choose on this one. And for the next question, I'll choose a number 9 for number 10 because it's actually a very good software. And I love to recommend it to other people as well. So that's all you got to do for step number 2, and you can literally do this in less than 10 seconds. So just go ahead and click on the next button to go on to the final step on step number 3. Now this is super important because that's where a lot of people fail to make money on this website because they don't exactly know how to write a review. As you can see here, you're going to put out a title for your review. You're going to write about the pros and cons, meaning what you like and what you don't like about the software. And after that, you still have to describe your overall experience with PowerPoint. And there are many things to write on this step, and a lot of people get stuck because they don't know how to proceed. That's why I want you to keep watching this video. As you can see here, this is the entire script that I want to share with you with this script. With this script, you can earn $10 and you can just do it in less than 2 minutes. It is crazy. You can literally earn $2 per minute using the exact same strategy and earn PayPal money again and again. You can see here the pros and the cons about this software and the script for your overall experience. That's all we need here. And we can just copy and paste this answer to put them right here in our review. And the reason why this is so important is that you're going to make sure that your initial first few reviews will be accepted. And then they'll send you more and more reviews to keep on doing. And you can earn money again and again for a lot of beginners when they fail to get approved on their first submission. They will not receive any more reviews in the future. But if you use my proven script, you can literally get approved within 24 hours and receive your earnings in just a moment. I'll show you how to copy and paste my template. But I want to share with you another strategy. When you go on to Capterra.com, you can actually check out other people's reviews about PowerPoint. And as you can see here, you can just go down below and look for literally hundreds and thousands of people who are leaving reviews about PowerPoint. You can see here, they show you all the pros and all the cons. And this is the actual review that is left by other people, and a lot of people are leaving reviews and making a lot of money. For example, this person is right, this is actually their review. And that's the title, and that's the way. Yes. And that's actually the pros and the cons that they left on the website, and by just simply leaving this or this person is making money. So if you can see here, when I scroll down below, another person left a review. And you can see here, there are literally so many people from different countries in the world, and they're leaving a simple review about PowerPoint. And they get paid every single day. And guess what? You can simply go on to this website and you can check out literally hundreds of thousands of reviews by other people who are already making money on this website, and you can copy and paste some of their sentences. And that's the extra strategy that I wanted to share with you to get a lot of inspiration and ideas on how to write review. Now, a lot of people don't share the secret and strategy with you, but I want to make sure that I can help you as much as possible. If you appreciate that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So basically, for the title of your review, you're going to write something like this. Very simple PowerPoint review. And that's all you got to do for the pros category. Under this box, you're going to write something about what you like about the software. Now, basically, that's the script that I've written for you, which you could just copy and paste everything right here. Finally, on the last one, describe your overall experience with PowerPoint. And once again, it is optional, but as you can see here, a lot of people who are making money on this website actually answered this question. So it's very important to answer this question to get paid, so just highlight the one for my script. Click on the copy button. Go back here and paste everything right here into this box. And that's all you got to do for the entire review. The final question, did you switch from another product? You can just click on no, and that's all you got to do. And finally, you can just click on this one right here to agree to the terms and conditions, and just click on the submit button. So right now, as you can see here, your product review has been submitted, and you can just repeat the entire strategy again and again. You can just keep your momentum going and search for other different products or software to write a simple review and earn $10 in less than 2 minutes. And once again, they have literally hundreds and thousands of different software that you can read a simple review. And you can just refer to other people. Just search on Google and look for other people's review and use the answer to get inspiration and repeat the process again and again. And that's it. To get my most recommended way of making money online, click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching.